Hi, and welcome to another edition of Kitchen Chemistry. I'm Julie, an educator with the New Mexico Museum of Space History. And I was wondering, have you ever taken a balloon and rubbed it against your head and stuck the balloon to the wall? Is it magic or is it science? Well, that's what we're going to try to find out today with our experiment. And you need just a few things that you have around the house. Today you're going to need some crispy rice cereal, some balloons, some plastic wrap, and maybe a black sheet of construction paper. So go gather up all your materials and join me right back here. First, take your cereal and pour a little bit on your construction paper or a plate. Then blow up a balloon and take a piece of plastic wrap and rub it one way across the balloon. Then put the balloon close to the cereal and observe what happens. You see that nothing happened with my fleas. So I tried it again. Still nothing happened. I decided to try using my hair. I rubbed the balloon against the back of my head and the cereal stood up on end. Some even jumped onto my balloon. How does this work? Well, it all has to do with static electricity. Static electricity is the buildup of the electric charge on the surface of an object. Everything is made up of atoms. An atom is the smallest building block, and it is made up of three parts: a proton, neutron, and an electron. Protons have a positive charge, electrons have a negative charge, and neutrons do not have a charge. When we use a charging cloth, like the plastic wrap, the carpet, or our hair, electrons are moving from one atom to another. This gives the balloons a negative charge. Once the balloon is charged and placed near the cereal, the negatively charged balloon is attracted to the protons in the cereal. And so the cereal jumps to the balloon. It even sticks when I turn the balloon away from the cereal. You can try this project and see if other things can stick to the balloon. What about feathers, styrofoam beads, dirt? Whatever you try, remember that the negative electrons on the surface of the balloon have to attract the positive protons from the different objects. Opposites really do attract. Finally, you can see that I used my hair and charged my balloon and was able to stick the balloon to the wall. Is it magic? No, it's electricity, and that's science. So how did your experiment work? Did those puffed rice fleas jump to your balloon, or did they run away from it? Thanks for joining me today for another edition of Kitchen Chemistry. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we're always adding new projects and new information. And as always, stay home, stay safe, and keep looking up.